Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by cutting power to avoid damage. Unplug the keyboard or remove the laptop battery and wait 30 seconds. Once done, reproduce the error to confirm which keys misbehave and whether the issue is hardware versus software. Make sure to note patterns. Contiguous keys often indicate a physical fault, while random wrong characters suggest firmware or layout problems. Next, prepare tools. Compressed air to dislodge debris, a keycap puller for removal, and a small screwdriver for access panels. You remove keycaps carefully, photographing the layout so you can rebuild it exactly. This prevents layout mistakes later. Then use compressed air and a soft brush to clear debris and sticky residue under each switch, and isopropyl alcohol on cotton swabs for stubborn gunk. Once clean, inspect the membrane or switch housings for corrosion, broken clips, or lifted PCB traces. If you find a loose ribbon cable or misaligned connector, reseat it now. Poor contact is a frequent cause of wrong keys. You reconnect everything and perform the actual repair. Carefully resolder any broken trace, replace damaged switches or ribbon cables, or swap the membrane if torn. Once reassembled, power up and run a keyboard test and layout check to confirm each key registers correctly. If symptoms persist, make sure to reset firmware or reinstall drivers, because software can masquerade as hardware failure. As a final step, replace the keyboard if repairs fail. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind: intermittent faults often.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.